Hello, sixth graders. So the reason why I had you talking about getting mad yesterday and turning mixed numbers into improper fraction is because today we are going to divide mixed numbers. And in order to do that, we need to turn both of the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So the first step before we even keep, change, flip, we need to get mad, okay? We need to multiply the denominator times the whole number. So 8 times 1 is 8. We have to add the whole number to the numerator. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So that becomes 11/8. And we have to do the same thing with the other one. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 1 is 33/8. Okay, so now that that's written, now we can keep the 11/8, change the division of multiplication, and flip or find the reciprocal of 33/8 and get 8/33. Now, this is the reason why I was so adamant in teaching you how to pre-simplify, because I don't know about you, but I do not want to multiply 11 times 8 and 8 times 33 and then try to simplify that. So instead, let's look diagonally. Do 11 or 33 have any common factors? Can they both be divided by the same number? Yes, they can both be divided by 11. 11 divided by 11 is 1. 33 divided by 11 is 3. Wow, that makes that so much easier on that end. And in the opposite direction, 8 and 8 can both be divided by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Look at that. Our new fraction is 1 over 1 times 1/3, which would just be 1/3 as our final answer. So that is why pre-simplification is very important and comes in handy, because we can do all of that simplifying before we even start. So let's look at the next problem. Again, always turn them into improper fractions before you even keep, change, flip. So let's zoom in again. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1. That would be 13/4. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2 is 29/7. So now we can keep the 13/4, change the division to multiplication, and flip or find the reciprocal of 29/7 to get 7/29. Now, in this case, we actually cannot pre-simplify. Okay, we cannot pre-simplify it all this way. We cannot pre-simplify it all that way. So you would actually have to just multiply across. Okay, now I want to practice more pre-simplification, so you can solve that problem and put it here, but don't even worry about doing that right now, because I want to do some more of pre-simplification, because this one you actually can't even pre-simplify, which is unfortunate. All right, so let's look at this next example. Turn them into improper fractions first. 6 times 4 is 24, 25, 26, 27/4. So that becomes 27/4. 1 and 7/8. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 7 is 15/8. All right, so we're going to keep the 27/4, change the division to multiplication, and flip or find the reciprocal of 15/8, which is 8/15. So now, again, unlike this last problem, we can actually pre-simplify. So let's look in this direction. Do 27 and 15 have any common factors? They do. They can both be divided by 3. Okay, 27 divided by 3 is 9. 15 divided by 3 is 5. We're getting shorter here. We're getting simpler. Can 8 and 4, do they have any common factors? They do. They can both be divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So now our new fractions are 9 over 1 times 2 fifths. Okay, so 9 times 2 is 18. 1 times 5 is 5. Ooh, that is an improper fraction, and we want to make it a mixed number. So if you write 18 fifths, that's fine. But as a mixed number, that would actually be, it would be 3 and 3 fifths. Okay, so what I want you guys to do, again, the process really, you just need to make sure you always convert them into improper fractions first, then pre-simplify, or the improper fraction. So first you have to make them into improper fractions first, then you keep, change, flip, then you pre-simplify to get your final answer. All right. If you, for instance, need to convert these into mixed numbers, just write the improper fraction here and then just convert to a mixed number. You can add a new text box if you want to. All right, but you're going to complete these 3 problems for your homework practice. All right, and I will see you guys at next Wednesday at 8:30 between 8:15 for our virtual check-in over spring break. So I will see you at 8:15. All right. Link will be sent out to join that. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.